to the Jim's Lockdown Friday, and today we're going to make a Kingsley Amis negroni. Now the key to a Kingsley Amis negroni is that you freeze the water in the glass before you start, and I thought I'd got that wrong, but it turns out that he really has. That really is what he intended. So we're going to make it now. What we do is a measure of gin, and we're using who's that famous actor's name? The chap Stanley Tucci. He said Plymouth gin was the best, so we're giving the best one. One big one, and then another big one. Can anyone remember how much Campari? Should we say 1 Campari? Should we say 2? What do you think?
1 to 1.
1 to 1. So two Camparis as well.
Yeah.
I think you're right. I think it was 1 to 1. And then the martini, I think, was only 1. And then we have the sweet red martini, which, blow me down, I've got today. This is the most impressive thing of all. I've actually got the sweet red martini, so the right stuff. So Stanley Tucci would be good. What was the name of that incredibly expensive martini that you had, Jem, for just this purpose?
It's in the cupboard.
Can't remember. And Stanley Tucci had the very expensive one, didn't he? Now we have to have a slice of orange, not lemon for this. Oh, come on. Why is it not cutting? That's it. Okay, so we've just cut that nicely on there. Which I'll need 2 of those, don't I? 1 more. We'll do it like this. There we go. That's it. Give it a little shake. Little shake. Everybody ready? So here you have the most fantastic Kingsley Amis negroni. I'm going to do 2 of them, because one for my photographer and 1 for me. Okay, now we're going to. And there we. Oopsie daisy. There we are. So, cheers, cheers, Iris, Jem and Bays. This is a Kingsley Amis negroni. Oh, very cold.